Have you ever wondered how a simple t-shirt can cost $2 in one country and $50 in another? Every t-shirt you wear has a journey, but have you ever wondered where it really comes from? Behind the clothes we buy every day, there is a massive global industry, and Bangladesh is one of the world's largest garment manufacturing hubs. It all starts with cotton, grown in fields across countries like India, China, and the United States. The cotton is turned into yarn, then knitted into soft fabric. Next, the fabric is dyed, cut into pieces, and carefully stitched together by skilled workers in garment factories. After quality checks, branding, and packaging, the finished t-shirts are shipped across the globe to stores and customers. From a cotton field to your wardrobe, thousands of hands and multiple industries work together to create a single t-shirt. The next time you wear one, remember, it's more than just clothing. It's a journey. It all starts with cotton. Before a t-shirt reaches your wardrobe, its journey begins in vast cotton fields around the world. Cotton is one of the most important natural fibers used in the textile industry and is grown mainly in countries such as India, the United States, China, Brazil, and Pakistan. When the cotton plants mature, they produce fluffy white bolls that are carefully harvested. Once collected, the cotton is sent to processing facilities where seeds, leaves, and other impurities are removed. This process, known as ginning, leaves behind clean, soft cotton fibers. The fibers are then compressed into large bales and transported to spinning mills. Here, the cotton is opened, cleaned again, and aligned into thin strands. These strands are stretched and twisted together to create yarn. The quality of the yarn depends on the length and strength of the cotton fibers. Higher quality cotton produces smoother, stronger, and more comfortable yarn. This yarn becomes the foundation of the entire garment manufacturing process. Every t-shirt you wear begins with these simple cotton fibers, transformed through technology, skill, and craftsmanship into the yarn that makes clothing possible. The yarn is sent to fabric mills. After cotton is spun into strong, fine yarn, the next important stage begins in large fabric manufacturing units. Here, massive knitting machines work continuously, weaving thousands of threads together to transform yarn into long rolls of fabric. These machines operate with precision, speed, and consistency, forming the foundation of modern textile production. Depending on the final product, different knitting techniques are used. This allows manufacturers to create a wide variety of fabric textures. Some fabrics are made smooth and soft for comfort wear. Some are designed to be stretchable for active wear, while others are produced thicker for durability and warmth. At this stage, science and creativity come together. The structure of the fabric is carefully controlled to match fashion trends, seasonal needs, and customer demand. Even small changes in machine settings can affect how the final fabric feels, its softness, breathability, and strength. This stage is extremely important because it defines the comfort and quality of the final clothing product. Before a t-shirt is ever cut or stitched, it is this fabric stage that determines how it will look, feel, and perform when worn. From simple yarn to advanced textile fabric, this transformation is where raw material becomes real fashion potential. Now the fabric enters the garment factories of Bangladesh. This is where the real transformation happens. After the fabric rolls arrive from textile mills, they are carefully inspected once again to ensure quality. Then begins the most important stage of the entire journey, turning fabric into a finished garment. In cutting sections, large layers of fabric are spread out on long tables. Skilled workers use precision tools and cutting machines to cut each piece according to exact patterns and measurements. Even a small mistake at this stage can affect the final product. Once the fabric pieces are cut, they move to the sewing lines. Here, hundreds of workers sit in organized production lines, each responsible for a specific part of the t-shirt. One worker may stitch the sleeves, another may attach the collar, while others join the main body pieces together. Step by step, the flat fabric begins to take shape. What was once just yarn and cloth is now becoming a wearable product. After stitching, the garments move to finishing sections. Labels are added, threads are trimmed, buttons or prints are checked, and final touches are completed to ensure everything meets quality standards. Every t-shirt goes through strict quality control. Defective pieces are removed, and only perfect items move forward to packing. Bangladesh has become one of the world's largest garment exporters because of its skilled labor force, efficient production systems, and strong global demand. Millions of garments are produced every day, shipped to international brands, and worn by people across the world. The t-shirt you wear is not just clothing. It represents something much bigger than fashion or style. Behind every simple t-shirt lies a powerful global system, an entire hidden industry that connects farmers, factory workers, designers, machines, shipping companies, and global brands. So the next time you wear a t-shirt, take a moment to think about its journey. It started as cotton in a field and ended up as something you wear in your daily life. It carries stories of hard work, industry, and global connection.